Today we are packing ladybell, or solid brass bell shaped like Victorian woman in crinoline dress. Ladybells were widely made and used during the 1800s. Tablebells were widespread and might remind one of big crinoline skirts on a thin waist, so it's not surprise that someone had the idea to make a bell in the shape of a lady in such a dress. Their origin traces back even further to the Elizabethan era, although much of their early history has been lost over time. Most of the bells originate from England. They often have heavy weight and are quite loud, both due to their solid brass construction. Collectors pay attention to the original clappers, which ensured a consistent and resonant sound. These tablebells served a functional purpose in households, for example to call a servant into a room. The lady of the house would ring the bell for tasks such as serving tea or attending to other needs. There are also larger versions of these bells, capable of producing a very loud sound. Most likely they were intended for use in grander homes, where servants might be farther away. The bells were changing with time, reflecting time trends and even mode fashion. Some bells are highly decorated with such details due to Victorian appreciation for detailed craftsmanship. There are so many different ladybells, each featuring unique details like various hair or dress styles, or items held in their hands. This variety makes them appealing to collectors, especially those drawn to Victorian-era fashion or crinoline-style dresses.